just don't you don't have to worry when you are with Arif sir and Harika ma'am. They especially they are dedicated for our trainers and trainees. They will teach everything. They will teach. Don't go outside from them. Don't go and search with Google and ChatGPT. They have everything. What you have to read and reach out, they have everything.
Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadamni, one of the members of Elite Expertise, and today we have with us Binita. Hi Binita, welcome to Elite Expertise and congratulations on clearing your OPRA exam. How are you feeling?
Hi, Saudamni. I'm fine. I'm feeling great.
Okay, please tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? What did you study?
I'm from Nepal. From Pokhara, and I studied a bachelor in pharmacy from Pokhara University here in my hometown.
Okay, so you've done your B Farm and then you did your OPRA. So did you find anything lacking in your studies or was it very easy for you to clear OPRA? Like, did you face any difficulty?
No, it wasn't easy. I had to rely on something, and I choose that expertise for it. It was not easy for me. It was disturbing. I have to concentrate on my studies, and yeah.
Okay, so why did you choose Australia? Like, how did you plan to go to Australia?
Uh, I have heard about the similar weather of Australia, and also I have my relatives there. I just want to explore countries.
Okay.
That's
And
all.
how did you come in contact with Allied Expertise then?
One of my friend who is already there passed from elite expertise, and she just showed me the pathway for the training, and I just happened to know from her.
Okay. And why do you love Allied Expertise? And especially about Harika ma'am and Arif sir.
Yeah, they are so gentle, so calm, and just they just step by process they go through our understanding and how we should concentrate and how we step by step we go forward in the learning phase. And with her especially Harika ma'am, her stories examples, so we can concentrate, and we have to memorize something. So there are so many to memorize, so they got so easily.
So do you
And
have
Harif sir,
yeah. Please continue. Yeah. Please continue.
I also like the way of teaching from them. Slow, but it is good.
Okay. Okay. So the next question for you. What was the ultimate strategy that you followed to clear this exam? What was your strategy?
My strategy is I don't continuously study for hours and hours. I just when I'm comfortable in studying, then only I study. Otherwise, I will just go with the nature and just sit around it. In the last minute of 1 month, I really studied hard. It was so the teachers are Harif sir and ma'am are teaching continuously from morning 7 o'clock to night 9 o'clock, and it was so fast, and it was so worried to grab everything. But yes, they are teaching so important questions and MCQs. We got to
Okay.
revise all of them.
So how many hours did you study each day?
In the last month, I got to sleep only just 3 hours. That's it, maximum 3 hours. And when in the beginning, I got it slow with the lectures and mocks. I got it slow, but in the that 1 month period in the last phase, I really revised it. Go and go, go and go.
We really
I'm
worked
so
hard in the
thankful for
last
my
1 month,
family,
right?
my parents. Yes.
Yeah, sorry, what were you saying right now?
Yeah, I'm so thankful with my parents. They cooperate with me so beautifully. They handle me so beautifully, and especially my brother.
Hmm.
He just praised me in everything. He just supported me with everything.
That's really sweet. And blessed to have a family like that, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So my next question for you is, do you have any tips for our future aspirants who would be appearing for opera in November, March, maybe next year, whatever?
Yes, absolutely. Just don't you don't have to worry when you are with Arif sir and Harika ma'am. They especially they are dedicated for our trainers and trainees. They will teach everything. They will teach. Don't go outside from them. Don't go and search with Google and ChatGPT. They have everything. What you have to read and reach out, they have everything, and just follow them and do the mocks continuously, and don't lose any lectures. Continuously you have to grab them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, in which year did you pass out?
2024.
Oh, so just last year pass out, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And my last question to you, how highly do you recommend Elite Expertise?
Yes, I highly recommend Elite Expertise because we don't know in the short period, we don't know where to grab the ideas and where to start from, where to begin. They have the only the steps and steps, process by process. There are so many, the vast our study is so vast, and we don't have that time to, in a small period, we don't have time to grab that much of informations for our
Mhm.
pharmacy curriculum. So that's why I highly recommend Elite Expertise.
Okay. Thank you so much, Benita, and all the very best for your future. We hope to see you soon in Australia and you become a completely registered pharmacist. We hope that you pass your intern written and oral exam as well as soon as possible. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Benita.
for
All the very
having
best. Bye bye.
me. Bye.